is love. Baby, don't hurt me. Baby, don't hurt me no more.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nelson, and if you're new here, hi, welcome. I know I've been gone for a while. I haven't been filming, and I'm sorry. I apologize for that because I've just been really busy. But yeah, so as many of you guys know already, I graduated. Yes. But yes, I graduated, and I will try to insert a clip into this video for you guys.
Ready?
If you guys do see the video, the short graduation clip that my sister recorded, I apologize that I do look kind of like I'm like upset or something, like I'm mad at the world or something. But to be honest, I was just a little bit nervous going up on the stage, and I was truly really like excited and happy that I'm walking the stage, but I don't do good with crowds, so that's probably why I was the way that I was in that video. But yeah, nonetheless, I graduated. This video is basically a life update video. I'm just gonna update you guys a little bit about what's going on and what has been happening in my life. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Filming videos take a lot of time. There's a lot of filming, editing, uploading, just everything. It just takes a long time, so I don't have like all the time to film and everything. So when I do film, I'm super excited and super pumped. I asked you guys on Facebook and Instagram to send me some questions that you guys want to know, and I got so much questions, you guys. Just kidding, I didn't get anything. Because you guys don't care. No, I'm just kidding. It's totally cool. I kind of expected there to be no questions, but I just wanted to put it out there just in case some people have questions, but it's okay. In this video, I will be answering questions that I get on the daily basis from people in real life. So in person, I get asked these questions like so much. You guys have no idea. The first question is, what am I planning to do now that I finished college? And honestly, right now I just plan to enjoy my summer vacation, my summer break, and after that I'm gonna start looking for jobs, and from there I'm just gonna start working, because I really that's my main plan, honestly, is just to start working again. Question 2, when am I getting married? And honestly, it's gonna be soon. That's all I'm gonna say, is soon, because I do plan to get married. So I have talked to my boyfriend about it too. We've been talking about it, so yeah, it's soon. Question number 3, when do I plan on having kids? Do I even want kids? And to be honest, I do plan on having kids. It's something that's really important to me because I want to have a family in the future. But right now, personally, I don't want any kids right now, honestly, because I still have a lot of things that I want to do. Like, I still want to travel and just, you know, live my life still. So personally, having a kid is like a lot of responsibility, so I am not planning to have any kids anytime soon. Question 4, what is one thing you learned from college? And honestly, for me, the biggest thing I took from college is knowing that everyone has a different timing and that everyone has a different path. And to me, like, I truly understood that when I finally realized that I have my own path. I have my own, you know, timeline, and eventually I will finish college when I finish it, you know. Everyone has their own timing and their own path, and you just really got to focus on yourself. At the end of the day, if you focus on yourself, you will eventually get to where you belong. Last question is, will I continue making videos? And yes, definitely I plan to make more videos in the future. Obviously, YouTube is not my dream job, or it's not like something career wise that I would do, but I do love it. It is a hobby and I do enjoy it, so I do plan to make more videos for you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna keep this video short and end it right here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button for me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.